On the Civic, here's the new fenders. They're just kind of bolted on. They're not really in their final location. Here's the hood. Obviously it hasn't been pulled yet. We're still waiting on it to be able to get inside the frame shop. Little update as well too. So I went ahead and cleaned out the whole entire car because it was terrible in the inside. Went ahead and pulled out the SRS module out so I could send that off and get that reset. Turn the airbag light off. Sent out the actual seatbelt out to the same place as well too, because it was locked up after the accident. And the car is starting to come together a little bit. The previous owner was a smoker, so it smelled terrible inside there, so I'm letting it air out as well.
Start to fold like a diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I can't define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I leave them with violence, the silence light of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me. Baby, use my mind right.
Alright guys, so we just made it to the frame shop. We're about to pick up the Civic. I'm doing a little bit of tuning. Well, I'm not doing the tuning. Evan's Tuning is the one that's actually doing the tuning on the S2000, but I'm getting him a data log. We're just about finalizing the tune. The car runs great so far. Evan's Tuning, double thumbs up. And now we're at AccuTrack to pick up the Civic. Let's see how much damage and how much damage to my wallet it's gonna cost. Oh, and quick update, we sold the Mustang. Sad day, but it's for the best. So let's go check out the Civic. Alright guys, here she is. We already painted the hood and fender room, kind of behind the scenes. So this fender hasn't been painted yet. We had a little bit of running the paint, so we gotta reshoot that. But the hood and the passenger side fender is complete. This is after Danny got done pulling it all. And come to find out, there was actually about 4 inches that was actually pulled, because where it hit right here in this area, it actually pushed it this way a little bit, so it was kinked in that back area. But guess how she's fitting, guys. Man, everything looks completely straight. Now it's time to start putting it all back together. A special shout out to Danny at AccuTrack Frameworks. If you're in the Oklahoma City area, I would definitely recommend him for all your framework. I've had the Civic pulled. I've had this Honda S2000 pulled, which I'll get into another episode. Obviously the Mustang, and also my old Toyota 4Runner and a few other cars. So, best in town. After spending some time on the front end, I put the brand new radiator, AC condenser, the front bumper bar on, kind of just buckled up everything all together. I just bled the coolant system so that you'll see a little bit of smoke coming off, because I had the coolant radiator cap off so I could let the air bleed out. Another thing, guys, got the new airbag put in, waiting on the SRS module to come back from safety restore so we can get the center console put back in. And that's where she's at right now, guys. Not looking too bad. We'll paint the front bumper, which is right there, and the other fender tomorrow, and she'll be ready to be put back together. Alright guys, that's going to end today's episode. We got the car back from the frame shop. We got a little bit of the body panels on. Changed out the airbag. The whole front end is pretty much completed. Besides, we got to paint the fender, bumper, little odds and ends here and there. But guys, if you like this series, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next one. Actually, in the next video, we'll probably be finishing it up, and then we'll go over how much it cost me. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.